back with another video. Y'all, in this video, I'm going to be doing a 2-strand twist on my hair using Cantu. If it'll focus. Really? Why is it focusing? There we go. Oh my gosh. It never takes that long. I'm using the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream as my moisturizer. And I'm going to use the Curl Daze Glossy Shine Gel. Now, I'm going to tell you why I'm not using the moisturizer that goes with this. Because, okay, so since I did that wash and go with both of these products here, I noticed that my hair didn't stay moisturized like it should have, like it does when I use this, okay? This stuff keeps my hair moisturized forever. Like, it keeps my hair moisturized until I have to wash my hair again. And this is an oldie but a goodie. If y'all look on my channel, y'all know I used to use this when I first went natural. And I used it for a long time after that, until I started wanting to try other products and stuff. Y'all, stick with what works. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get good results. This is $5 and some change at Walmart, at HEB. Where else? I'm pretty sure they still say everywhere, but the beauty supply stores rip you off. It's about $10 in the beauty supply store. Anyway, so I'm going to be using this, and we're going to see how my 2-strand twist turns out. And at the end, y'all, I came up with this method called the loop and twist some years back, y'all. Y'all will see it on my channel. But I'm going to use that technique to curl my ends this time. And see how it works for my hair now at this stage, you know what I'm saying? Because my hair has been through a lot, people. Okay, and I have worn my hair in like a updo for 2 days, y'all. It's been 2 days since I washed my hair. And I just been wearing it up, and I already have this in there, but I didn't like put it in like thoroughly. I just like put it in my hands and like did like that when I was putting my hair up in a ponytail. And I just used this gel to gel down my edges and stuff. So I do have those two products in my hair. I don't have anything in my scalp, y'all. I hadn't greased my scalp yet or anything, and I need to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna use, you already know what grease I'm using. I'm using the Tea Tree from ORS. I'm not saying that this is the best stuff to use at all, because when I got it, I had never used it before. But it seems to be working on my scalp, along with the shampoo and the conditioner that I used. And let me tell y'all the shampoo and conditioner I use Folliclens DS. Look on my channel, y'all see that I used to use it. Now I'm back using it again for my scalp. It just works wonders for my scalp. Wonders, y'all. Yeah, Folliclens DS, y'all. DS. I use the shampoo and the conditioner. And before I shampoo my hair, I detangle it with the Aussie Moist conditioner. So yeah, that's the first part. You have to detangle your hair before you go in and start washing it, because you don't want to start doing all this to hair that is not thoroughly detangled. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to do that, honey, because you're going to end up with a big dread of a mess. Okay. I'm going to have to use some water to loosen up this gel, but thank God it doesn't turn white like the Got To Be gel in the black bottle. Oh my God, this stuff just turns white. You have to literally wash your hair to get it out. You can't even change styles once you put that in your hair. That's what I don't like about it, and I'm probably not going to use it anymore. I probably use it like on wigs and stuff. Y'all, I have this wig that I need to show y'all. Oh my God. It's not just a regular old wig either, y'all. Something I've never tried before. So, okay. Oh, and y'all, I haven't told y'all about this on this channel, but honey, y'all need to go and check out, excuse me, Sugar Vibes by Erin Nicole. Is that what it is? By Erin, yeah, by Erin Nicole. Sugar Vibes by Erin Nicole. Look her up on Instagram, y'all. She gave me these scrubs. Y'all, I've been using them for my face. And she gave me a lip scrub. And y'all, my skin, y'all, when I'm done using that, it is just so, look at, and it seems like it's like reducing the appearance of my, pores. Because I used to have like large pores. And honestly, y'all, it really seems like they've gotten smaller. And my skin is so freaking soft, y'all. I didn't know these scrubs could do that much. Like, anyway, okay, so let's get started, y'all, because I don't have much time, genuine. I don't even know what to do. Oh my God. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Start with some water, because we gotta break up that gel cast. Now, honestly, I don't want to use that much water. Y'all, the kids start school tomorrow. And I don't want to use that much water because I need it to be dry by a certain time. So, I'm dampening my hair. So yeah, it's nighttime, y'all. So whenever it's nighttime, y'all gonna see me in the bathroom doing my hair. But for some odd reason, y'all, during the day, the lighting is just not, it's terrible in this bathroom. I don't know why. I really don't. Okay. Ooh, got hair all in here. Let's go in with some of our coconut curling cream. And no, I'm not adding any oil to my hair because there's plenty of it in this moisturizer. When I tell you, you do not need oil. You literally don't. Okay. I have to comb this through. Oh, it's still detangled, y'all. My God. Yes. Okay. Alright. My nail is snagging my hair. I can't stand that. Okay. So now we're gonna go in with just a little bit of this gel, y'all. I'm not gonna use a lot because this is not a wash and go. Let me see. I guess I'll use that much. Rub it in my fingers. Start at the bottom. I don't even know why I'm putting it on this big section like this. I should have split it in half. Okay. I feel like I need some more water for some reason. All right, so we're gonna see how these products work together because they're not made to work together, but we will see. But I did like the way the the Curl Daze moisturizer, when I first put it on my hair, like it defined my curls like cray. And I was shocked because I never had a moisturizer do that before. Cantu coconut curling cream doesn't even do that. I ain't even gonna lie. But I don't know, it just keeps my hair moisturized like way longer. So we're just 2-strand twisting. I was gonna do a 3-strand twist. I'll do it next time. I will do it next time. Ugh. Okay. All right, so when we get here, you're gonna leave like 1.5 to 2 inches of hair. We're gonna put some gel on that bad boy, okay? I'm about to show y'all how to do the loop and twist. All right. Ooh. Get off of there. Get off of there. Okay. So, you're gonna take your finger, okay? You're gonna loop your hair around your finger, okay? Then you're going to loop and twist the hair around itself, around the actual twist with your finger still in that hole there, in that loop. You're just going to twist this around the actual twist. Take your finger out and boom. If it dries right, you should have a curl at the end of your hair. And you don't have to use no stupid rollers that are gonna come out of your hair at night when you're asleep. So, oh my God. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is what we're doing. Y'all, I might have to put on some gloves because I don't know what's wrong with my nail. Moisturize. Oh, I think I already put this. I did put it on there already. Oh well, didn't hurt to put a little bit more. All right, gel. Y'all let me know if y'all tried the loop and twist method. This is the back. Hopefully everything is cool back there. Anyway, so hopefully my hair dries tonight, y'all. I hope to God that it dries tonight and I can take it down. It's gonna be perfect tomorrow. It's gonna have the perfect amount of definition, all the good stuff. I just can't wait. I cannot wait, y'all. My battery is about to go dead. But yeah, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up this video, okay? Do that. Anyway, what am I about to do? I'm about to put my headscarf on. Y'all make sure y'all shop my signature bonnets. I don't even have it in here, but y'all know what it look like. Link is gonna be in the description box. I have a yellow and pink one. They're reversible with my logo. Let me go and do it for y'all. All right, y'all, so boys ski. Oh, so this is the yellow and pink one. This one is the black and red one. Yes, they are reversible. All right, link in the description box. And yeah, I'm just about to put this, you know, I guess I could just put it on right now. We're gonna take it and we're gonna put our twist. I just like twist in there. Uh-oh, come on. And then, boom. And we're ready for bed, people. We are ready for bed. Everything fits in there really well. And yeah, this is it. So comfortable. And yeah, I'm ready. I need to get some sleep because I have to be up. No, I have to edit first. And then I have to be up probably around 6:30. I usually get up earlier than that though, honestly, y'all, because I can barely sleep ever. It's like I sleep for 4 hours and then I'm done, you know? So I'm gonna go and edit this video for tomorrow. And yeah, y'all, then we're gonna go to bed. Wish me luck, please. Peace.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.